Alright, I'm getting the pipe work together for the sink and the shower area, and this is what I've got. So I've done the joins with thread tape and silicone. The silicone just sort of makes it easier to screw the threads in, so you can get them down tighter and position them where you need to. I'm just using things like this, multi-grips and a shifter you can actually fit on the corners, on the angles there, to do them up. And when you've got an open one, you can stick the handle, as long as it's not a metal handle, as long as it's like protected, you can stick that in there and give it a little twirl. So this is going to fit in here, which is going to be a little bit awkward to do. Oh yeah, I think I've got it through. Oh, watch the precious little bulb. Oh, there we go. So that's through there now. So that's going to be up on the wall about there-ish. And I have a spout which is down here. This is going to be my spout. So once again, I've used thread tape and silicone and tightened these down as hard as I can and got them positioned right, obviously. And what I'm going to do here is put a bit of thread tape on there and then just use plumber's grease. So I use the thread tape and the plumber's grease on that join, so it will give me a little bit of swinging action. Not that you have to turn it too many times, so it shouldn't like wear out or anything. But yeah, the grease will stop the thread tape from wearing out, and it's not under pressure at all. It's a free flowing pipe, so the chances of that leaking is pretty low, as long as you just get the thread in the right spot. So when you get round to about here-ish, it sort of might tighten up, but you know, so it's going to be loose around that way. Oh, she's just gone on, so I'll leave it there. But yeah, that's the pipe going through to there.